I'm not someone who carries baggage, you know, because I feel like when you carry baggage, you can't fly. Think about putting weights on a bird on their feet. Will they ever be able to fly? And I want to be a bird. I want to explore this incredible life that God has given me. So I focus on wanting to fly because my dad told me when I was very young that I'll never keep you in a cage. You will fly as high as you want, and you know, I want to make him proud. So I don't like baggage. I like making my peace. I like living in peace. I like making sure everyone around me is happy, and you know, like have fun in life. Life is about joy, and the more we just keep living in, you know, पहले क्या हुआ था, कहाँ किसने मेरे साथ क्या किया, la la la. It's just like you have no time to make space for the future. You're only living in the past. I don't live in the past.